Hello everyone, Akis here and welcome to my channel. Today's video, let's do unboxing and let's start for this on plastic. So let's see what is inside. And yes, I like the color and I like the quality. And this is for my everyday use inside of the house. And I choose this color and style because it's Christmas and make me feel comfortable. Size is 37 and it's really fit on me and I like it. Yay. And next, let's unboxing this one. And this one, guys, is for my everyday morning. Sometimes I'm not drinking, but yeah, mostly every day. It's my Milo everyday char. And guys, but I don't know what happened to the can na yupi na. And next, another one, guys. You know, as you see, hindi ko favorite ang Milo char. And next one, guys, is my mini dress and I like the color. And this one, Axe. Yeah, it's good for traveling. If you're going to travel, it's very useful. And this one is survival kit. Yeah, this is what is inside, guys. I'll show you one by one. And pork, knife, and there's a lot more inside, guys. There's kit also, cotton buds, and this is the dress, guys, the mini dress, and then the boots that I'm using for every day at home. And I like the color of the dress and it's really fit on my color too. And today is I will gonna flex the dress and myself char model of the day, just only for today. And the size of the dress is medium. Before that, let's go to the gym. Hello guys, it's 5 p.m. here in China. Yeah, and I'm looking for the sun. when the suns go down. Char. Yeah, and I'm thinking what will be my food tonight because today I ate spaghetti. My favorite seafood is spaghetti. Yeah, but I like more in Italian restaurant, guys. Not like downstairs. Not really complete the ingredients and how they cook. It's really different. And I'll show you guys what Ayun. I cannot see the sun going down because the building cover it. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.